Brussels has rejected the UK's proposal to ease issues surrounding the Northern Ireland Protocol, it has been revealed today. Despite the issues surrounding the protocol since the turn of the year, the EU has refused to take a more flexible approach on animal health standards and food safety checks. UK officials had hoped to pressure the EU into agreeing a more risk-based approach to checks on food and animals, but Brussels feared any change would jeopardize the bloc's rules. Brussels, however, wants the UK to align more with itself in order to ease the number of checks occurring in Northern Ireland. According to RTE News, a joint committee may be held between the two sides at the end of the month to discuss matters. A diplomat said, "The idea is that there wouldn't be a joint committee meeting unless there was something to agree. They wouldn't hold one just for the sake of holding one. This roadmap work program is going through various evolutions as they try and converge on a document that both sides can agree on. It's possible that something may be ready by the end of May. Under the protocol, Northern Ireland remains within the EU single market and applies some of its customs checks. Due to this, businesses have experienced issues to trade due to the added checks. In order to ease some issues, the UK government extended the grace period for goods until October for certain goods moving from Great Britain to Northern Ireland. The EU has since accused the UK of breaking an international agreement and has begun legal proceedings. In terms of checks for animals and food, the diplomat claimed a separate veterinary agreement could be signed if the UK signs a trade agreement with the US. They added, an EU-UK veterinary agreement could be adjusted if the UK subsequently signs an agreement with the US which requires them to change their food safety regime in a way which is not compatible with the EU regime. Then you could come back to the situation and see what could be done. The government's Brexit minister Lord Frost and his EU counterpart Maros Sefcovic may meet next week to discuss issues around Northern Ireland. Relations were eased somewhat last week after the EU finally ratified the Trade and Cooperation Agreement. After months of delay, MEPs voted to ratify the agreement for it fully come into force. Lord Frost said, "Hugely welcome the overwhelming vote by the European Parliament for our trade agreement with the EU. Hope we can now begin a new chapter together as Europeans, characterized by friendly cooperation between sovereign equals." Last year both sides worked tirelessly to agree a deal based on friendly cooperation and free trade between sovereign equals. Today's vote brings certainty and allows us to focus on the future. There will be much for us and the EU to work on together through the new Partnership Council, and we are committed to working to find solutions that work for both of us.